Hello everyone, today I will be presenting our weather data platform designed for RMIT. I'll be walking you through the various features of our landing page, which is crafted to provide a user-friendly experience adhering to Nielsen's design heuristics. At the very top of our landing page, we have placed the website logo and name. This follows the escape hatch or home link design, ensuring that users can quickly navigate back to the landing page from any other page on the website. This design aligns with Nielsen's design heuristic number 3, which emphasizes user control and freedom. Next, we have the navigation tabs positioned at the top of the page. These tabs offer easy access to all the website's pages, adhering to Nielsen's design heuristic number 4, which focuses on consistency and standards. By placing navigation buttons at the top, we maintain a familiar layout that users expect, making navigation intuitive and straightforward. The landing page, we prominently display a big title text along with an image related to nature. This concise visual representation informs users about the purpose of our web application at a glance. The image complements the title by providing a visual context, enhancing the overall user experience. To the right of the title, we have included a Statistics button. This feature is particularly useful for novice users who may want immediate access to statistical data without having to search through the navigation bar. This design choice follows Nielsen's heuristic number 7, which emphasizes flexibility and efficiency of use. Just below the statistical data, we provide a hyperlink text that shows the source of the data. This is for users who are interested in the origin and credibility of the statistics presented. By placing it right after introducing the data, we ensure that users have easy access to this important information. For novice users and the general public, we offer more detailed information on the state of the world and the reality of climate change in 3 small paragraphs. Each paragraph is accompanied by an image for better visualization. This design approach makes the content more engaging and easier to understand. In summary, our landing page is designed with user experience at its core, following Nielsen's design heuristics to ensure ease of use, consistency, and accessibility. By incorporating these elements, we aim to provide a platform that is both informative and user-friendly. I am excited to present the mission statement page of our weather data platform website. This page is crucial as it communicates the core purpose and goals of our project. Let's dive into the specifics of its design and functionalities. At the very top of our wireframe, we have the header section. This includes the website's name or logo, alongside a navigation menu. The logo or name of the website is prominently displayed. This follows the Nielsen heuristic for user control and freedom, acting as an escape hatch or home link. It allows users to quickly navigate back to the landing page from anywhere on the site with a single click. The navigation tabs are strategically positioned at the top of the page. This placement is in line with Nielsen's heuristic of consistency and standards. Users are accustomed to finding navigation buttons at the top, which makes our website intuitive and easy to navigate. By maintaining the navigation bar at the top across all pages, we ensure consistency in design elements and user interactions throughout the website. This consistency enhances the user experience by providing a predictable and seamless navigation structure. Now, let's move on to the main focus of this page, the mission statement section. The Our Mission section is placed prominently within the Hero section of the website. This design choice emphasizes that the website's purpose and goals are central to our platform. It aligns with the aesthetic and minimalist design principles by keeping the layout clean and focused on essential information. The use of imagery and minimal text ensures that users are not overloaded with unnecessary information and can quickly grasp the mission of our project. Next, we have the site functionalities and persona section. Following Nielsen's heuristics, this section provides only the necessary information and images. I'm excited to walk you through how our climate data platform caters to the needs of 4 distinct personas: Ha, Chan, Dr. Pham, and Train. Let's delve into their scenarios and see how our platform addresses their requirements. Ha is preparing a paper focusing on ranking countries based on their carbon emissions over the past decade. She needs to collect and organize large amounts of data to identify trends and accurately rank countries. Ha accesses our home page and navigates to the subtask B, Country section. Ha efficiently sorts and filters the data, allowing he to rank countries based on average, maximum, and minimum temperatures. He can also sort by population and correlation, providing her with comprehensive insights for her paper. Next, Chan is preparing for a formal presentation on global climate change and needs accurate temperature data to illustrate the impact over the past few decades. Chan selects historical data on global averages from the subtask Global section. Chan successfully collects and visualizes global temperature data, enhancing the educational value of his presentation. Next, Dr. Pham is preparing for a public seminar on climate change impacts across different countries and periods. He needs to analyze temperature changes to identify patterns and anomalies. He selects datasets for Vietnam, France, and the United States over various periods. Dr. Pham filters the data by country and period and ranks them using the sorting tool. Dr. Pham effectively analyzes and compares temperature changes, delivering an informative seminar. Finally, Trang is working on a report proposing climate action plans for cities in France. She needs to compare temperature data over the past 20 years to make informed decisions. Using the platform's feature to search similar temperature countries, she gathers comparative data. Trang successfully collects and compares temperature data, aiding her in making well-informed recommendations for climate action plans. Finally, let's talk about the Our Team section. This section includes the names and student numbers of each team member, fulfilling the subtask requirement. It not only adds a personal touch but also acknowledges the efforts of everyone involved in the project. In conclusion, our mission statement page is thoughtfully designed to communicate our goals clearly while adhering to key design principles that enhance user experience. The consistent navigation, prominent mission section, minimalist design, and team acknowledgement all work together to create a coherent and user-friendly platform. Next, we will go to the presentation of our global page. This page is designed to provide comprehensive data on global temperature changes, and it is structured to be user-friendly, consistent, and efficient, following Nielsen's design heuristics. Let's dive into how each function works. At the top of our global page, you'll find the navigation bar. This bar includes various links to different sections of the website. Since it's the same as on the previous pages, I will skip it and go directly to the filter section. The filter section is crucial for searching and refining information. The filters use numbered text boxes, which help prevent errors. By entering values into predefined options, users are less likely to input incorrect data, making the search process smoother and more accurate. Our filter section offers multiple options to customize your search. You can filter data by starting year and ending year. This flexibility allows users to quickly find the specific information they need without sifting through irrelevant data. After entering the starting and ending years, simply click the Apply button to access your information, and the table will be presented. For example, if you input 1970 as the starting year and 1980 as the ending year, the table will display data on global and land, ocean temperature changes. The types of data available include average, maximum, and minimum temperatures, population, and the correlation change between the starting year and ending year. The core of our global page is the table layout, which presents the filtered data. The table is designed with clarity in mind. Columns are clearly labeled and data is presented straightforwardly. This helps users quickly read and interpret the information. When you want to search for another set of data, we have a Reset button located on the top left above the table. Now, let's discuss how this page meets the needs and goals of our personas. Chan, for instance, is preparing for a presentation on global climate change. He needs to collect and visualize data effectively. By using our filter section, Chan can easily input the required years and get a comprehensive table showing the average, maximum, and minimum temperatures, along with population and correlation changes over time. This helps him create an engaging and informative presentation. In conclusion, our global page is designed to be intuitive, efficient, and comprehensive. By following Nielsen's design heuristics, we ensure that users can easily access, filter, and analyze global temperature data. This page is tailored to meet the diverse needs of our personas, helping them achieve their specific goals efficiently. Next, let's move on to the presentation of our country page. This page is designed to provide detailed data on temperature changes for specific countries, making it easy for users to analyze and interpret climate data. Like the global page, this page adheres to Nielsen's design heuristics to ensure a user-friendly, consistent, and efficient experience. Let's explore how each function works. At the top of our country page, you'll find the navigation bar. This bar includes various links to different sections of the website. Since it's consistent with the navigation bar on other pages, I will skip over it and focus on the main features of the country page. The filter section is essential for users who need to search and refine information based on specific countries. To streamline the user experience, we've consolidated all filtering options under the Country List button. This button serves as the gateway to accessing and customizing your search criteria. Upon clicking the Country List button, you'll find a comprehensive set of filtering options neatly organized for your convenience. These options include selecting the country, specifying the type of region, city or state, and defining the time period, starting year and ending year. For further customization, users can easily navigate through the list using the scroll bar and select their desired country by ticking the checkbox. As you select a country, the remaining options dynamically adjust to display relevant choices based on your selection. Once you've configured your search criteria to your satisfaction, simply click the Save Changes button to apply your selections. This action triggers the display of pertinent data in the table below, providing you with precisely the information you need. By centralizing all filtering features within the Country List button, we aim to enhance usability and streamline the search process for our users, ensuring a seamless and efficient experience. For example, if you select Italy as the country, city as the region type, and input 1970 as the starting year and 1980 as the ending year, the table will display data for various cities in Italy over that period. The types of data available include average, maximum, and minimum temperatures, population, correlation changes, and ranks for each temperature between the selected years. You can sort each column by clicking on the header of the column. The core of our country page is the table layout, which presents the filtered data clearly and concisely. Columns are labeled for easy identification, and the data is presented in a straightforward manner to facilitate quick reading and interpretation. Additionally, we have a sorting tool to make data sorting easy for users. If you want to perform a new search, there is a Reset button located at the top left above the table. Now, let's discuss how this page meets the needs and goals of our personas. Persona 1. Ha. Ha is preparing a paper focusing on ranking countries based on their temperature changes over the past decade. She needs to collect and organize large amounts of data to identify trends and accurately rank countries. Context. Ha visits the country page, selects the country, region type, and time period she is interested in, and clicks Save Changes. She then uses the table to sort data by average, maximum, and minimum temperatures. Outcome. Ha efficiently sorts and filters the data, allowing her to rank countries and cities based on temperature changes. She can also view population and correlation changes, providing a comprehensive dataset for her paper. Let's move to next page. Our multiple data page is a robust tool meticulously crafted to offer detailed insights into temperature changes across multiple regions and periods within countries. Following Nielsen's design heuristics, it ensures a user-friendly, consistent, and efficient experience. Let's delve into its unique features. The navigation bar at the top provides easy access to various sections of the website, maintaining consistency with other pages. The filter section is vital for users requiring precise data refinement. All filtering options are consolidated under the Feature List button, simplifying the search process. Users can select the country, specify the type of region, city or state, define the time period, starting year and year period, and even set limitations for temperature and population. Upon clicking the Feature List button, users discover a comprehensive set of filtering options neatly organized for their convenience. They can effortlessly navigate through the list using the scroll bar and select their desired countries and regions by ticking checkboxes. Once users configure their search criteria and click Save Changes, pertinent data is displayed in the table below. This includes the average temperature for each chosen period and ranks for each period, facilitating easy comparison and analysis. Let's say a user selects Ukraine as the country, specifies city as the region type, and sets the cities as Bila Tserkva, Cherkasy, Chernihiv, Horlivka, Kerch, set 5-year in period box and the starting years as 1970, 1980, 1990, and 1995. They can further refine their search by setting temperature and population limitations. I set the population here from 1,000 to 900 million. The table will present data for each period, with columns for average temperature and ranks like what you see here. Moreover, by clicking on the header, users can sort data for deeper analysis. Like what you see here, the data is already ranking. Moreover, a Reset button located at the top left above the table allows users to perform new searches seamlessly. Clicking this button clears all filters and resets the page to its default state. Now, let's discuss how this page meets the needs and goals of our personas. Write how my platform fit persona. Dr. Lam Pham. Dr. Lam Pham, as a climate researcher preparing for a public seminar, finds our multiple data page instrumental for his in-depth analysis of temperature changes across different countries and time periods. Dr. Pham's goal is to identify patterns and anomalies in temperature trends to inform his seminar discussions on climate change impacts and adaptation strategies. Our platform caters to Dr. Pham's needs by offering robust filtering options. With the Feature List button, Dr. Pham can select specific countries, such as Vietnam, France, and the United States, and define precise time periods with a 5-year gap starting from 1970. Additionally, he can set limitations for temperature and population to ensure the relevance and accuracy of the data. Once Dr. Pham configures his search criteria and clicks Save Changes, the platform presents pertinent data in a clear and concise table format. This includes average temperature values and ranks for each chosen period, allowing Dr. Pham to compare temperature trends across countries easily. Furthermore, the platform's sorting functionality enables Dr. Pham to organize the data effectively, facilitating his analysis of temperature changes and identification of patterns. If he needs to refine his search or explore new datasets, the Reset button provides a seamless way to start afresh. In conclusion, our multiple data page provides Dr. Pham with the necessary tools and insights to conduct thorough analyses of temperature changes, aligning perfectly with his goals of delivering a detailed and informative presentation on climate change impacts and adaptation strategies. Let's move to the next page. Our similar data page is a robust tool meticulously crafted to offer detailed insights into temperature changes across multiple periods within a single region. Following Nielsen's design heuristics, it ensures a user-friendly, consistent, and efficient experience. Let's delve into its unique features. The navigation bar at the top provides easy access to various sections of the website, maintaining consistency with other pages. The filter section is vital for users requiring precise data refinement. All filtering options are consolidated under the Feature List button, simplifying the search process. Users can specify the type of region, the country, city or state, define the time period, starting year and year period, and even set limitations for temperature and population. Upon clicking the Feature List button, users discover a comprehensive set of filtering options neatly organized for their convenience. They can effortlessly navigate through the list using the scroll bar and select their desired regions by ticking checkboxes. Once users configure their search criteria and click Save Changes, pertinent data is displayed in the table below. This includes each period from the starting year to 2013 and the gap between different periods, facilitating easy comparison and analysis. Additionally, the table ranks each period based on the similar temperature gap between other periods and the main period. For example, let's say a user selects country as the region type, specifies Ukraine as the specific region, sets a 5-year gap in the period box, and the starting years as 1970, 1980, 1990, and 1995. They can further refine their search by setting temperature and population limitations, e.g., population between 1,000 and 900 million. The table will present data for each period with a 5-year span, showing the average temperature and the gap relative to the main period. The gap data is displayed alongside the raw data. To enhance the data viewing experience, users can choose to display data based only on temperature or population by clicking the respective checkboxes. If both or neither checkbox is selected, the table will show all data. When users click the View by Temperature or View by Population buttons, the table will automatically reset to fit the selected view. The platform also displays regions with similar average temperatures to the selected region, with the option to limit the number of these regions for more focused results. For instance, setting the limit to 100 will show the top 100 countries sorted based on the temperature gap. Finally, a Reset button located at the top left above the table allows users to perform new searches seamlessly. Clicking this button clears all filters and resets the page to its default region country. Our similar data page is instrumental for Trang's in-depth analysis of temperature changes across different periods within multiple cities in France. The robust filtering options, accessed via the Feature List button, allowed Trang to select specific cities and define precise time periods with a 5-year gap starting from 2000. Additionally, she can set limitations for temperature and population to ensure the relevance and accuracy of the data. Once Trang configures her search criteria and clicks Save Changes, the platform presents pertinent data in a clear and concise table format. This includes average temperature values and gaps for each chosen period, allowing Trang to compare temperature trends and identify significant changes over time. The sorting functionality enables Trang to rank the periods effectively, facilitating her analysis of temperature changes and identification of patterns. The platform also displays regions with similar average temperatures to the selected cities, with an option to limit the number of these regions, helping Trang in her comparative analysis. If Trang needs to refine her search or explore new datasets, the Reset button provides a seamless way to start afresh. This user-friendly feature ensures that she can perform multiple analyses without any hassle. In conclusion, our similar data page provides Trang with the necessary tools and insights to conduct thorough analyses of temperature changes, aligning perfectly with her goals of delivering a detailed and informative report on climate action plans for cities in France.